Woo! This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. Good morning from Vietnam to all my friends in America and Canada, and good afternoon to everybody in Europe. Hopefully you guys are having a great, fantastic day so far. Well, if you've been watching the crypto markets, you're probably not having a great day. You're probably asking yourself, why are the crypto markets going down? What's going on? Why is this happening? What's the catalyst? We're going to talk about what's happening, what are the catalysts, what's making and causing the markets to crash like crazy, and we're also going to talk about what is the outlook, what is the future, what you should be doing, what should you be doing right now? Should you guys be selling? Should you guys be liquidating? Should you guys get out of it? Is this the end of the bull run? Guys, we're going to talk about that and much more. Make sure you watch this video to the end without delay. Watch to the end, guys, because we got huge information, important tips and tricks in the house. And remember, this video is not financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor, guys. So make sure you understand that and, proceed with caution. Remember, you have to do your own risk management, guys. Anything that you invest in, you need to understand what the tokenomics are. You need to understand what's going on behind the scenes, guys. And with that being said, don't forget to show some love for the OG in the house. Do it now. Take this icon down below and smash the likes, smash the likey, and don't forget to subscribe BYB in the house, guys. And before we get started and jump into the content, I just want to have a big shout out. We got a whole bunch of subscribers. These people subscribe today. We got Master in the house. We got GP Tut in the house. We got Kai Fire in the house. We got Dusty, American Eagle, Sylvester, and we got Deanna in the house, guys. In the house right now. Woo! Welcome to family. Thank you for supporting the channel. Let's get into the content without further delay, guys. So we can see right now, that the pre-market, broader markets, everything is going down. Everything is tanking. This is not going to help the cryptos, because when we see the stock market going down, guys, what we see that the cryptos are also going to go down. We got the Dow futures down. We got the S&P futures down. NASDAQ futures down. Everything is down. So what's going on? What's causing all of this craziness in the markets right now? Well, you can see that we've got this whole Evergrande collapse. Could have a domino effect on China property. And this is like, the Lehman Brothers in 2008. But it's like the Chinese Lehman Brothers, and we're going to see that this is going to be a crisis, a spillover of this crisis that the China Evergrande group is into other parts of the economy, could become a systematic problem, and this could have a spillover effect, and this could be a domino effect, and that's just could take China out. So, I believe that the Chinese government is probably going to bail out this company, but this has been a long time coming, guys. This has been absolutely a long time coming. This is not something that just fell off the radar and suddenly just happened. And we can see that the Hang Seng Index dropped more than 3% as Evergrande shares plunged 10%. And we're seeing that the stock market is taking a big hit, and we're going to have all the Chinese ETFs and all of that stuff. Once the Dow opens up, we're going to see that the Dow is going to absolutely go down, guys, and we're going to see even more red for the crypto markets. It's absolutely incoming, so you guys need to buckle up. But you can see, if we look at the Evergrande group chart right now, you can see that overall, this is not something new. This was absolutely in the cards, guys, because if we look back over a year, you can see that the stock of the Evergrande stock has just been going down. So, this is not something new. The absolute directors knew this was happening. So I don't think it's going to have a huge impact like we had in the housing crisis in 2008. I don't think it's going to be a big Debbie Downer, but you can see that this is one of the catalysts that's pushing the crypto markets down right now, guys. Another thing you guys need to be aware of is we've also got this happening. That the Federal Reserve, they've been investing about over $1 billion monthly to basically, help secure the economy and shore up the stock market. So what they're doing now, the Federal Reserve is expected to offer clues on its stimulus taper timeline. So what they're going to be doing is they're going to be reducing the amount of money that they're putting back into the market by buying up bonds and treasuries and all of those things. So the Federal Reserve's officials expected this week to send a clearer signal about plans to begin phasing out the pandemic era stimulus as early as November. So this has also put a big jitter, because the policy setting Federal Open Market Committee convenes on Tuesday for a 2-day meeting, and they should shed some light on the fate of the enormous buying program that was put into place. So this was really put in place to stabilize the financial markets and shore up the economy. But I really don't think it had much of an effect. But, you can see the broader markets are really jittery right now, because they know that this 2-day meeting is going to come, and this stimulus package is going to be phased out, and this is one of the reasons that we're seeing all the broader markets going down. Plus we got the Evergrande thing. That's not helping. And then finally, also too, you guys know that on the 27th of September, we have this whole infrastructure bill, this Debbie Downer bill. And basically, if you're a miner, if you're a developer, and if you have a staking platform, you're going to have to get a broker's license. And that is totally going to be insane in the membrane. And for a miner, for a blockchain developer, and someone that's going to be staking, to get a broker license so you can get the KYC, it's absolutely not going to happen. It's going to be impossible, and it's just going to drive more and more of the crypto revolution, the crypto development, the blockchain development, the apps development in the US out of there, and they're definitely going to go. And sure, we saw that the Federal Reserve said that, hey, we're going to make this law, but we're not going to enforce it. I don't believe that. I think that's complete kibosh. Of course they're going to enforce it, because they want the tax money. They want the tax money from the crypto, from the crypto segment of the economy. They want tax money, guys, and they're going after the crypto. And this whole thing is also, so we've got the Evergrande thing. We've got the Federal Reserve tapering off their stimulus buyback package. And then we've got this, guys. So these are the catalysts that is causing this huge tsunami, this huge wave. And that's what's causing this whole Debbie Downer event, guys. So this is really not a good time right now. And we can see that this catalyst is going to create instability for Bitcoin. And we're probably not going to see Bitcoin go back up until next week, guys. So you can expect that we're just going to be going down, 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 up and down. And let's take a look at the technicals right now. So you can see right now that Doge right now is not looking too good. Let me just give this a refresh, make sure you got so right now we can see that Doge is down 9.27% and is trading at 21. Wow, that's not looking good, guys. And you can see that technically right now, you can see that Doge had support here. It's broken down below that support, so that's becoming red right now. Doge is also broken down below our 22 cent. That's also become red right now. And our next support level right now is around about 20 cents, 2069 to be exact. So we're just going to have to weather the storm, and I probably see that Doge is probably going to go down all the way to where we flash crash down to 21 cents. So we've got some major support at 206. So guys, you just have to buckle up. Let's jump into the Bitcoin right now. So luckily, even on the weekly, we're still above the 21-day EMA, and Bitcoin is at $44,609, guys. We've given up so much. So Bitcoin is down almost 6%. We had a low today of 44,378 today. So right now, and we also had a high of 47,334. So it's not looking good for Bitcoin right now. And right now, Bitcoin, as I said, is at 44,583, guys. So it's not looking good for the crypto markets overall. So it's really, really bad news, guys. If we look at the Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, you can see here that everything was looking good. We had this higher high here, everything was looking good, and then we had this crash. Then we had a higher low. We had this whole W pattern form, and it looks like we had this flag formation, and then we had another higher low here. And then we went up, we thought, okay, we're breaking out, this is a bull flag. Then we had another higher high, and then we had a higher low here, and then that's where we crashed down. So I really think that overall we could see Bitcoin retesting this area very, very soon and going way down, guys. So I think we got some good support around 44,500. Let's hope we can stay above that, because if not, then we could see Bitcoin going down to this critical level of around about 42,000 right here. So we've got some support around 42,000. So hopefully we can stay above that level. So, and if we break down below 42,000, then we're looking at going down to $3,700. Now remember, Plan B did say that he expects that Bitcoin will close around $43,000 for September. And remember, September is always bullish. And it's just the timing was if Evergrande and the stimulus package and the infrastructure bill. This has just created a whole tsunami of events that's pushing Bitcoin down. So, you know, our next support level is probably somewhere around here. So we're going to see a next support level. Our next support level is around about here, everyone. So let me just move this line for you. So we got some support around about 42,000. And if we break that line, then we're going to be seeing ourselves moving all the way down to the $38,000 level around about here, guys. 37,000. So I don't think that we're going to drop that hard and that fast. I think that we're probably going to hopefully pray that we're going to stay above the 44,700 level. So let's keep an eye on that. But you guys can absolutely expect that this whole China meltdown thing has been a huge catalyst. And I really think this is going to be a nothing burger. I don't think this is the end of the bull run by any stretch of the imagination. This is just a hiccup. And you know, I think that China's probably going to bail them out. I believe that's going to happen. So if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, you can see the Bitcoin dominance is going up, guys. It's 42.26%. This is not good for the altcoins. So we're gonna jump into the price of the coins in a second, and you're gonna see that the coins are absolutely dropping, guys. And this is a really bad time to be alive. Let's look at the Fearing Index, Fearing Greed Index. Let me give this a refresh. So right now it's still at 50. We're at neutral, but probably by tomorrow morning you're probably gonna see that this is probably gonna drop down to 44, 42 range level. So all I can say is if you've got money on the sidelines, if you've got stable coins on the sidelines, it's not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. Definitely go bargain hunting. Go buy the dippy dip, guys. There's a huge dip. You guys want to buy the dip. You know you want to buy the dip. So get the dip, guys. Let's do it. So let's take a look at Ethereum price in the house right now. So you can see that Ethereum is also not looking good, guys. Right now, Ethereum is trading at $3,129, $3,131. And we have broken past this support line here, which is now resistance level. We've also broken past this resistance level here at 3181 right here. And so things are not looking good right now in the space. So let me just change that to red. This also needs to become red too. That's also not looking good. So where do we find our support right now? We find our huge support at $3,000. So hopefully we can stay above that. And this morning, you know, I said we had this huge W pattern. Everything was looking good. And then we start to print the higher lows here, another higher low here, and we broke down exactly through this descending triangle. I was hoping that we could, find some support there. And you can see here, I believe that this is where we're going to find some support around the 3,090 level. So that's where we can find some huge support. Let me just put that in for you. So we're going to find some support around here. So this is very interesting that almost a month ago we were at this level right here. So if we go back, it's almost like a month ago we were here. And it looks like that this is going to play out. This is going to be our huge support level. So expect that we're going to see a lot of turbulence happening in the markets for Dogecoin, for Ethereum, for Bitcoin. So let's take a look at some of the altcoins right now. And it's not a pretty picture, guys. Cardano in the house is trading at $2.12. And we have broken down past our $2.15. So now that is becoming resistance now, and we have some huge support around about $2. I'm hoping that we can stay above $2, but it's not looking good for Cardano. Also, VeChain is completely broken down, but we're starting to paint some green candles. So hopefully in America things can look a lot better. Now, Solana is still looking good. It hasn't had a huge drop like the rest of the markets. We've only seen about a 7.75% drop. So hopefully that I have my line drawn in the sand at $141. It looks like that support line is holding up. So if you're holding Solana, don't panic. What should you guys be doing right now? You should absolutely not be panicking. This is not the time to sell. This is the time to hold. This is just a small correction, a small hiccup that's brought on by the broader markets are down. We got the Evergrande problem, the China meltdown, the China collapse. We've also got the infrastructure bill coming in, and also we have the stimulus package that the Fed's going to have a meeting on today, today and tomorrow and the next day in the U.S. And they're going to be talking about that, and they're going to pull back that stimulus, and that's one of the reasons why you're seeing the broader markets go down. So this is basically a put-on effect from the broader markets, from the Evergrande. So guys, don't panic. Do not be panicking. This is not the time to panic, guys. So if you look at Avalanche in the house, Avalanche has also seen a lot of green, a lot of red today, and that's down almost 10%, guys. So all you guys can do is just buckle up and don't panic, guys. And you can see right here, let me just give this a refresh, is that our market cap, wow, we were at 2.21 yesterday. We've come down to 2.02 trillion. So we've lost almost 19 billion has gone out of the market, out of there. And our volume is getting higher, 83.46. And I think a lot of people are selling. A lot of retail investors are shaking. And don't panic, guys. It's not the time to panic. Bitcoin dominance is getting higher and higher. Let's jump into the markets right now. Let's do it. So right now we can see that the Bitcoin price is at 44,774. That's down 7%. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is at 3,139. That's down 8%. And ADA in the house is at $2.13. That's down 10%, guys. BNB is down 6.6%. Wow. And that's at 384. Solana is down 11%, 11.57%. But we're still maintaining my line in the sand at 141. DOT is down 11%. Doge is down 9.6%. It's at 2166. Avalanche is down. Uni's down. Luna's down. Link is down. Everything is down. Algorand has even gone down. Atom is just gone down. It's the only thing that seems to be holding out. So let's take a look at what we can do right now. Let's go bargain hunting in the house. So right now, ADA is a good pickup. It's down 11%. Solana, maybe. Let's take a look at Avalanche. No. Uni, this SEC looking at Luna. It's a good time to pick up Luna. Chainlink, yeah, okay. Algorand, yes. Pick some of that up while it's still on sale. Atom, no. Matic, yes. FTT, definitely pick up some FTT. Now would be a good time to pick up some FTT, guys. And VED in the house. So those are my bargain recommendations. Go bargain hunting. Buy the dippy dip. Dollar cost average if you have extra money on the sidelines. So with that being said, let's just take a look at the OG portfolio in the house right here, right now. Let's do it. The OG portfolio in the house. So right now, let me just give this a minute to refresh. So if you look at the OG portfolio in the house, even though we've had this huge crash today, we're seeing that my portfolio is still up 40%, and we're still showing a profit of 2,043. And guys and gals, remember, this portfolio is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. And the total balance right now is still at 7,042. We invested 5, so it's not looking too bad. And guys, don't forget to follow me right now on Twitter. Guys, do it now. If you're not getting notifications from YouTube, follow me on Twitter. Do it now. You need to do it. Get it. And don't forget, show the YouTube algorithm that you love this channel, that you love the OG. Smash the likes right now. Do it. Subscribe, baby. And guys, don't forget to check out my links. Go to my Linky Winkies. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. Do it right now. Go to Zen Music Addict. Get it done. And follow and subscribe Zen Music Addict. Do it right now, guys. And become Patreon members, buy the channel coffee, and go to the merch. Check out my merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got also great stuff, guys. Check out the merch and get the Muggy Mug. Why wouldn't you want the Muggy Mug? So guys, all I got to say is don't panic. It's not the end of the world. Yes, the markets are going down. Next week, we should start to see things coming back. We should see more and more green, guys. Hopefully they come back sooner. I just want to say I'm working for you. I'm doing this for you. Without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. God bless all of you. Woo! This is OG in the house. I love you guys to death. Have a great one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.